We are living in a very special time in human history. The population is becoming larger. We are eating healthier, we are trying to. And we have massive demand coming from developing countries for better nutrition.
We really need to fundamentally change the way we manage our natural resources and we produce our food on Earth in order to make sure that we can continue and thrive as a species on Earth.
Israel is leading in the technology of cells, especially stem cells, for many years, coming from the therapy and, of course, leading with food.
Cultured meat is the concept that you don't need to raise an animal and slaughter it to get the muscle that makes our meat. We can take cells from an animal and then grow them without the animal itself.
We are mimicking the natural process happening within the cow, but outside of the cow.
We are from Israel, a tiny country with not a lot of land, not a lot of resources. How can we become a global leader? By innovating, by continuing to develop new approaches, new technologies, new products, and very effectively bring them to all the people around the world.
The demand today comes from consumers who are looking for ethical products that are sustainable and healthier. We are bringing a better option to the world.
How we do it? We take the same elements that make meat, protein, fat, molecules that give you flavor, and compile them into a delicious food product instead of in a cow, in a 3D printer. It can be healthy, it can be from plants.
In one bag, you have the equivalent of 259 eggs.
Once we understand as an industry how cultural and how emotional meat is, and how this relates to deliciousness, to how tasty it is, the rest is easy.
Fermentation has been around for hundreds of years. It uses microorganisms and readily available ingredients like wheat, soy, or milk to make the foods we all like cheese, bread, and beer. We invented a proprietary fermentation process that allows us to take simple ingredients like soy and turn them into meat-like products.
GreenMilk solution is to actually provide the same high-quality protein and the same high-quality tasty products, in our case dairy products. Instead of using animals, we are using a technology called precision fermentation. Basically what we are doing is creating the exact same product with all the upsides but without all the negative sides.
Alternative proteins have become one of the Israeli leading technological assets for the fight for climate, biodiversity and food security goals. Israel today is positioned just second after the US in global investments in the field.